rubbing your toe.
You can do it. You can do it. Yummy. Show him you eat some.
Tasty. You can taste it. Come on, buddy. Tasty. Good. It's good. You can eat it.
You can eat it, honey. Yes.
See, where's my avocado?
Well, we can go get some more avocados.
Just look at the face. It's tasty, isn't it, little man?